So I've according to my knowledge, I have completed the wild animal. I'll show you in just a minute. It's coming up. Maybe I need to improve my drawing. I've tried many different things. I even tried drawing everything in here and it didn't work. So I went to a much simpler because I had to start over. So I don't know why it's not allowing me to complete the assignment if according to me it's completed. Would you please let me know what am I doing wrong? And then also I would like to know what the last question in here is saying. I really don't understand. Not that one. The next one is, yeah, this one here. What is it saying? What the question? I'm not understanding it. I'm sorry. And then I'll show you that everything else is completed except for that. In just a second. As you can see, everything is completed, right? And then here too. Come on, come on, come on. Except for that right there. That everything else is good. Also, do we have to do this here? The my subject computer programming? If yes, so I can start on them. Thank you.